After the fireworks on the 4th of July, stay up a little later to watch the stars put on a grand finale in the heavens.
And on the 5th of July, the Moon, planet Mars, and star Spica have a close encounter.
We have our skies set for July 4th at 11 p.m. looking southwest. The first quarter moon will be to the right of the reddish planet Mars and bluish Spica.
But if we go forward one more night to July 5th, the Moon will have shifted to within 1 degree of Mars.
Wow, that is a close encounter.
Now we're facing south at midnight any night in early July. There you'll find the stars of Scorpius the Scorpion looking like a letter J with a red star named Antares marking his heart.
Antares often beats with an ominous red color, which is fitting since its name means rival of Mars. Compare Antares to Mars this July and see which is really redder. Keep looking up.